that you should never do to your budgies is grab them by force. Don't you dare to do that because they will be afraid at you. You want to be their friend, not their enemies. Look, this is what I do in the afternoon. When I take my budgies out from the house, I close, of course, I close the cages because if I don't close them, they're gonna fly away, of course. So I have the two cages here, and like you can see, they're big cages and they have tires. And I just spend time with them outside, and believe me, it's been amazing since I attached both cages. It's been so awesome. They really enjoy it, and so happy that I made this decision. Yes, it's a little hard for me to take the cages out or to take the cages, together inside the house, but it's worth it. Believe me, it's worth it. Why? Because I see them, they fly more, and they just like to be together. I just realized they love to be together. So I'm very happy about this decision that I made. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 containers of food. Actually 5. I didn't saw the other one. It's 5 of them. The other green is all the way over there. And I have 4 containers of water. I have 3 houses because I have 3 females. I have 3 houses, the nest house. And I have 2 coconut swings. These ones, like you can see right here. I don't know if you can see it. But let me tell you something. They love those coconut houses. The nest, I'm not talking about the nest. I'm talking about the houses. Kind of like, let me show you which one I'm talking about so you can have an idea. This one, the houses. Can you see it? They love to be together there. You can share. Hi, Nemo. Hi, Nemo. You guys are acting like if you have only one coconut. You have two coconuts there. The other one is over there. And they're like, they want to be on the same coconut. 5 Budgies. See? They love coconuts. The houses, coconut houses. Lucy, are you hot? It's not hot, silly. Are you hot, baby? You guys are hot? Sunny, Cookie don't want to play. Sunny, he doesn't want to play. Sunny, leave him alone. Leave Cookie alone because he doesn't want to play and he's gonna get mad at you, okay? Cookie, don't follow him. If you don't want to play, why you follow Sunny then? Cookie. Cookie, you're the one who's following Sunny. If you don't want to play, don't follow him, okay? Cookie. Cookie, can you leave Sunny alone? Leave him alone. He's singing. You didn't want to play with him. Leave him alone. Sunny, Cookie's gonna get mad at you. Sunny, be nice. Cookie don't want to play, Sunny. Leave him alone. Go and play with Charlotte. Sunny, he's gonna bite you, okay? Leave him alone, Sunny. He's getting tired of you. You don't listen. He doesn't want to play with you. Go play with Charlotte or Luna. Sunny, again, leave him alone. Leave Cookie alone. You're not listening, Sunny. No treat for you then. Cookie, go over there. Go on the other side. You're gonna get in trouble, Sunny. It's okay, Cookie. See? Lucy is getting mad too. Because you don't behave good. That's why. Okay guys, we're going to end this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Budgies channel. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day. Thank you. busy, busy afternoon. All my budgies are playing. Beautiful, beautiful. This is what I like it. I don't know why I took forever to make this decision. I'm so happy that I attached both houses, you know, the two cages. I'm so happy. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. Beautiful budgies. They love swings. Together. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. Nemo is right there singing. Hi, Nemo. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Luna. Hi, Lucy. Favorite toy of them is this coconut swing. Hi, Charlotte. Yes, they fight. Excuse me, ladies. No fighting. Lucy, Luna, you have to share the swing, okay? There's plenty swings. You guys have 5 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Okay? So I don't want nobody to fight, please. You hear me, Charlotte? Hi, Nemo. All the way over there, Nemo. Sun is trashing. And Charlotte is like, la 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 la. These guys are on the coconut. No fight for that, guys. It's not even a toy and you guys are fighting already. Charlotte, she was playing with that first. You saw Charlotte? He knows his name. Charlotte, Luna was playing with that first. Leave her alone. Sunny, nobody's calling you. Where he's going? Are you going getting some food for Toby? Hi, Toby. 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 Hi. They're fighting for that little thing. It's not even a toy, and they just want the same thing. Can you believe this? Charlotte, Luna was playing with that first. Lucy, what are you trying to do? If you break that thing, all of you guys are gonna fall. Lucy, it's not a good idea. Charlotte, are you mad? Charlotte, are you mad? Hi, Nemo. Hi, pretty bird. Where are you going? What are your plans for today? Luna's still playing with that thing. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this day with the Budgies. Have a beautiful afternoon. Thank you. Hope Budgies are eating. They're outdoors, that's why they are in cages.